Our next dish that we shall be making today is the famous chocolate dipped strawberry. Go ahead and melt your chocolate over the stove. Do not let it burn. It is extraordinarily sensitive. Once you have the chocolate prepared, take your strawberries and very carefully dip them into the chocolate. The other thing that you can do is cut your strawberries ahead of time. Cut these while I'm waiting. Now, if you wish to make your strawberries more fancy, you may simply take some peanuts and crush them. Now, the best way to crush peanuts is, of course, with a hammer. But if you do not have a hammer, you can also use Thor's mallet. If you do not have a Thor's mallet, you may also grab any cup with a flat bottom. Et voila! Put them in the fridge for a few minutes, they'll think that they're real chocolate dipped strawberries. Bon appetit.